Comet 67P contains seeds of life and could take them to other planets. Data reveals as mission controllers say Philae lander may have fallen into a hole on its surface. Philae dropped into a hole its own size 3 feet away from a towering cliff it found for organic compounds never before identified on a comet. Scientists still not exactly sure where on the comet Philae is resting. We've not known Philae's whereabouts since it dramatically landed on Comet 67P in November. Now researchers believe there is evidence that the comet lander dropped into a hole about its own size just 3 feet (0.9 meters) away from a towering cliff. Newly published data from the mission shows that the craft was also surrounded by boulders up to a meter wide and came to rest with one of its 3 feet pointing up. Data collected during its landing has also just been released, revealed a rich variety of organic material that could be the seeds for life on other planets. In June, scientists announced that the craft had woken up from hibernation, 7 months after bouncing dramatically onto the surface of 67P/Ryumagharasemenko. Standing in partial shadow, the washing machine-sized probe couldn't keep itself warm or generate sufficient electricity from its solar panels, and shut down. One paper, based on analysis of images taken by the probe's 7 cameras. It provides more detail about what happened when the craft landed after leaving the orbiting Rosetta mothership on November 12. Others describe organic compounds detected by Philae, including four never before identified on a comet, but nothing clearly defined as a building block of life. Philae did not stay long at its intended landing site, the soft granular surface about a foot deep with a harder layer below. Instead it bounced twice, finally coming to rest in a different location more than half a mile away. The image team, led by Drive Jean-Pierre Bibring, from the Université Paris in France, described how Philae seemed to be in a hole about its own size, partially shadowed by nearby boulders or cliffs.